What's up, guys? It's Fraser123 here. I got some more codes for Beeswarm Simulator 41 that I think will work, and one that I 41 that I know will work, and 42 that one that I think it might not work. Let's just say that. So I'm just gonna put in some random stuff here. Make a username. Let's just do code helper, I guess. 711, and then let's do type writer, I guess. Let's go. Now you guys know I'm not like making these codes cheats or anything. Okay, now let's go to groups so we can join the Beeswarm Simulator Club. If you haven't joined the Beeswarm Simulator Club, then you really probably need to. So you can actually use some of the codes. Now we're on. Okay, so let's go to the Roblox game. This might give you a whole lot of tickets and stuff. So you might be able to get some exclusive bees like in the shop. It's taking longer than I expected. Yeah. Darn it. Use my other account. And it's really laggy right now. Sadly. Make it work by leaving the game. How do I log out? It's confusing how to log out when you're on the app and it only lets you do a certain amount of stuff. I have settings. Here. Log out. Let's log out. It was code helper 711, I think. And password was typewriter. There you go. Bee swarm simulator. Well, now let's get to the codes. Whole lot. To be honest, this is going to be really entertaining for all the stuff we're going to get. It's going to go pop, pop, pop. I don't need a tutorial. I've played the game before. Okay, let's go. I don't know if you guys can see it any better than I do, but so it looks like it's really weird, I guess. So we're not going straight to that. Let's see if I don't know if you can see that, but let's just enter the codes. The first one is really confusing, and why isn't this working? Oh, here. Control V. Darn it, I can't. It doesn't work. Yeah, let's just do the regular ones. Yeah, so there's one that's like really confusing in like a different language. That's on. I'll give you the website where you can find it in the description. So the first one is new bash bonus. Let's redeem that one. There's a whole lot of stuff right there. The next one is secret profile code. Let's redeem that. A whole lot of stuff. Red cat beep. Let's redeem that code. Some more stuff. So extracts the next one. So the next one's gummy sausage. Mommy. Next one is Dazerath pack. And that's just a part one because my video recording thing is gonna stop in a little bit, so I'll make a part 2. So see you later. Bye.